Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Cooking with Afton. How you guys doing? I'm doing great. Well, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make a Guyanese chicken patty. It's so delicious. I will show you guys step by step how to make the Guyanese chicken patty, from the dough to the chicken. Everything I'm going to be showing you guys today. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. Also, I did this video like 2 weeks ago, but I accidentally deleted some part of the footage, so I couldn't upload a video with half of the footage gone. So I finally did back my chicken patties last night, so I'm going to incorporate the old video into the new video. So you guys will be seeing probably 3 different shapes of my chicken patty. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my video, and let me just show you my ingredients. Hi guys, this is my ingredients for my chicken patty. So it's a lot, so bear with me. We have some grated carrots here, we have some dry thyme, we have some chicken mince, 1.5 pounds chicken mince, we have the shortening, we have the butter, we have cubes, garlic, some fine Wiri pepper, we have some ginger, we have some shallots, we have 2 egg yolks, we have 1 cup of ice cold water, we have 3.5 cups of flour, we have some whole corn, some chicken seasoning, some green seasoning, because I ran out of my fresh green seasoning, so I'm just going to use this as substituting. We have some paprika, we have some hot sauce with mustard, and we have some tomato paste. So first thing I'm going to do is show you guys how to make the dough. Okay guys, I'm going to make my pastry dough now. So first thing you need to do is put 1 tablespoon of salt. I already put my salt, so I'm going to put in my butter now. Check in the description box down below, you'll see all my measurements. And I'm going to put in my shortener now. I mean my shortening. I don't know why I keep saying shortening. And you're going to take your hands, and you're going to, both hands, and you're going to mix it up together here like this, until it resembles like a cornmeal or so. So when I finish, we'll be back. Okay guys, I already mixed up my shortening and my butter in the flour. So what I'm going to do now is put my ice cold water. You have to use ice cold water. If you don't use ice cold water, the shortening and the butter wouldn't be able to, would melt, so you wouldn't get a nice flaky dough. So you have to use ice cold water. So I already used about 1/4 cup of water. So what I'm gonna do is just keep turning it till it's get a little thicker. So what I'm gonna do now is take it out of your bowl and put it in the down here, and try to get it into a ball. Try to get it into a ball. Make it into a ball like this. And what you're gonna do now, you're gonna, if you have a cling wrap or a Ziploc bag, you're gonna put it inside the cling wrap or the Ziploc bag, and then you're gonna put it in the fridge for about half an hour or so. So I'm gonna put it in the Ziploc bag now. So I have a cling wrap here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just cover my dough with the cling wrap like this, and then I'm gonna put it in the fridge for about a half an hour. So we're gonna go and cook our chicken now. Okay guys, we're gonna fry up the chicken now for the patties. So the first thing you need to do is fry up your garlic, ginger, and your Wiri pepper, along with some shallots and your dry thyme. What I like to do with the dry thyme is just put it in my hand like this and let it turn like dust. And then now it's just fry this up for about 2 minutes or so. Let it cook. Also, you're going to put the carrots. And mix up everything together. So it has been frying up for about 2 minutes. So what you're going to do now is put about 1 teaspoon of tomato paste, just to give it a little color. And stir it. Now what you're going to do now is just put your 1 cubes inside. And we're going to put in our chicken mince. You can also use chicken thigh, but what you have to do, you have to boil it first and then put it in your food processor to shred it up. So you could either use a chicken breast or you can use the chicken mince. I'm using the chicken mince. So what you're going to do now is mix up the chicken breast with everything and let it cook. And we're going to put in now is just a pinch of chicken seasoning, not much because you already have the cubes inside. And we're going to put some paprika. Paprika gives a little color. You all know that I always cook with my hot sauce, hot mustard sauce. You're going to put a little bit of that, about a teaspoon. And you're going to also put some green seasoning. My homemade green seasoning finished, so I'm just going to use this ready-made one for now. Okay. And also we're going to put some black pepper. Sprinkle a little black pepper in it like this. I have some more shallots. I'm just going to put a little bit more shallots. Stir up everything together. Okay guys, so my chicken mince has been cooking for about 50 minutes on low heat, but you have to keep turning it because you don't want to get it burned, okay? So what I'm gonna do now is put in my corn. This is optional, but I'm making this chicken patty for my son and he loves corn, so I'm going to put corn inside for him. And we're going to stir it up. Mix it up here. This is already finished. This is actually finished, so you just put the corn in at the ending part. So what I'm going to do now is leave this to let it cool for about 15 minutes. I'm going to go and roll out my dough now. So I'll show you guys the next step. Okay guys, I just took my dough out of the fridge. So what I'm going to do is flour my countertop. And I'm not going to use all of this one time. So I'm just going to break out a piece here. And the rest I'm going to put it in the fridge until I'm ready for it. So what I'm going to do now is just flour my rolling pin and roll out the dough as thin as possible. Turn it the other way thin it out as thin as possible. So I don't have a pastry cutter, so I'm just gonna use this glass to make circles. So what I'm gonna do now is pick up the scraps. Just pick up the scraps like this and roll it out again. I'll show you guys one more. So you put it down like this. Put in your chicken mince like this. Put a little bit more inside. And you take your egg wash and you put it right the way around. Okay, spread the chicken mince as possible. And then you take the top part. I think it could hold a little bit more inside. Yeah. And then you take the top part and you put it over like this, and then just won't get dirty, and spread it around. And then you take your fork and you make these shapes for the outside part. Very simple. Then you take your pizza cutter and you cut out the part that you don't like. And then you just lift it up like this. And then you just put it in your baking sheet like this. Good. I'll show you the next step in a different pan now. Okay guys, so you're gonna put the meat inside of the, like this, and you can take a brush or you can take your finger. This is the egg thing here, and just thing it around like this, all the way around. Like this. And then you take the other part and you put it over like this. And then you take your knife and you just cut off the parts that's like this. You just cut off this part like this. And then you take your fork and you just take your fork and just press down like this. This is gonna seal down everything like this. It's gonna seal down everything. All the way around. You do it all the way around. Then when you finish, you just put one hole inside of it like this, and then you put it on your baking pan to bake. Okay, so this is my first pan, so what I'm gonna do is just put one hole in it so the chicken can get to breathe a little. So just put one hole in it with your fork, just like this. Just put in all of them, and then the next thing you're gonna do is take your egg wash and just gently brush it on top of the chicken. So I'm gonna put this in the oven for about 50 minutes and we'll be back. So now I'm using a different pan. So what I'm gonna do, make these in circles. So I'm gonna put these in this cookie pan, like this, and I'll show you guys what I'll do next. Okay guys, so this is how I'm doing the other set in the cookie pan. Just like this here. So you can either do it in a normal baking pan or you can do it in a cookie pan. Anyone is good. To me, when you do it in this pan, you could put more meat in it. To me, you put more meat in it when you do it in this pan here. So what you're gonna do next is put the other piece on top of this, like this. Put the other piece on top of it. So what you're gonna do now is take a fork and you're gonna press down like this again. Press down just like this. Ooh, this one not do too good, but anyhow, just take the fork and press down like this on all of them. So what we're gonna do now is just bore a hole in the patty like this in all of them, just like this, and then you take a little egg wash you have leave back and you just. Okay guys, so this is the end results for my Guyanese chicken patty. It come out really good and it's tasty, it's flaky, it's nice. So let me just show you guys it here. This is the front and this is the back. Here it is here. Flaky and nice. And also I did it in another pan as well. This is the other pan shape. This is it here. But this one is this one big at the bottom and flat up top. So this is the other type that I made as well. And this one here. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Oh my god, now it's about 1 o'clock in the morning. I'm so tired and I just finished baking for you guys. So I hope you guys like this video. Let me just break one, let you guys see the inside of it. Okay. Here guys, this is the inside of my Guyanese chicken patty. You see the nice chicken, you see the corn, you see everything inside. Nice and tasty. So please subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, thanks for watching my video. Stay blessed. Bye.